name is Geraldine Thomas and I'm a professional makeup artist, and I will be recreating Rachel Jones, our makeup director's look for Fashion Art Toronto. Today's makeup video will be for the designer Vane by Shay. I hope I'm saying it correctly. And it will consist of a very bold look. So smoky eyes, lashes, highlighted cheekbones, and a red lip. Let's begin. One of the most important steps to any makeup look is prepping your skin, which is number one, you want to cleanse your skin, making sure you remove any excess dirt and oils. Number two is adding a toner. This is optional but could be very beneficial, as you can also help to soothe and calm and hydrate your skin. Number three is treating it with a serum. Now, depending on your concerns, it could help with any dehydration, brightening, and you can also benefit of those amazing ingredients for anti-aging. Number three is an eye cream, eye gel, or an eye balm. Now, also optional, but you can benefit with any depuffing, hydrating, and also brightening around that eye area. Number five is sealing it all with a moisturizer. Now, I do recommend, in case if you do feel that your lips are a little bit dry, use a lip balm. This way, when you're ready to apply your lipstick, it will be much smoother and hydrated. Now that my skin has been prepped, I'm going to begin with the foundation. So the foundation that I'm going to be using, actually it's a tinted moisturizer. It's an oil-free. This one's from Laura Mercier. I really like that it's light, but yet it has a good coverage. So I'm going to be working with this. Then I'm going to be adding a few drops of the Rosy Light drops from Chanel. This one is, I'm just going to be adding it mostly onto my cheekbones because we really want those highlights right around the cheekbones. And the concealer, I won't be doing it right now. I'm just going to leave it until the end. Since it's a very, very intense, bold, smoky eye look, I'm just going to do the concealer at the end. We're just changing it up a little bit. So I'm going to begin now with my skin. Now that my skin is ready, except for the concealer, we said we were going to leave it until the end. I'm going to be using a eyeshadow, a black eyeshadow. Now, I actually am going to be trying this one, which is from Zara. So I'm hoping that it's going to work out. I'm sure it will. But before I do that, I will prime my eyes with this Eye Basic from Laura Mercier, which is going to help the eyeshadows to hold and last longer. Of course, the way that I'm going to apply the eyeshadow to do that smoky effect and intense look is going to be all over the eyelid. I'm going to then blend it upwards until the crease of my eyes, and then I'm going to finish it into the corner of my eyebrow, and then I'm going to connect it all the way to the bottom, which is right here, and I'm going to just smoke all this eye area right here, and then this way it's going to give that really intense smoky effect. I will be adding a lashes. This one is from Base Blue Cosmetics, so I'm going to be adding these lashes as well, and by just giving it a more of an intense black look, I am going to be adding the Chanel black liner right around the rim of my eyes and also along the lash line, just to intensify the eye. And then I will be back to complete the rest of the look. So my eyes have been completed. I did have to add a black matte shadow, just especially around the lids, and I blended and smoked it out to intensify the look with the liner as well, the lashes and mascara. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply I'm going to tame my brows, and I'm going to complete the concealer, put some setting powder, and then I'm going to do my cheeks, a little bit of blush, and I'm going to leave the lips at the end. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this new lipstick that I'm going to try out. Actually, this one also is from Zara. It's a red lip, so it's going to be very bold. The look has been completed, and just wanted to let you know that they will be applying either a silver or a white glimmer on top of your smoky eye. Thank you for watching.